Today in Animal Company, we are gonna be killing every single monster with just the shotgun. It goes through my head. So, we have locations, which is the mines, the sewers, and office, and the forest. And this is gonna be hard, except for the ones in the haunted mansion, because those are like impossible to kill, and I don't wanna waste my whole like 9 minutes doing that. Why'd I do that? So yeah, I don't know if I would need a pickaxe, cause I don't. I would need a light source, and maybe that's it. Just a grappler and a shotgun. Let me switch these around, cause so the thing about shotguns is it's the most powerful weapon in the game. You can't mine with it, no duh. There's no, never mind. So here's the monsters I want to kill with mines. I want to kill the spider, the mimic, and maybe the Armstrongs. Yeah, I'll kill the I'll kill the let's start with the spider. I feel like the spider will make me do it. Yes, this is exactly. Oh my gosh, bro, scared me. Flashbang. That did absolutely nothing. Let's try the mimic. I think the mimic would. Oh yeah, isn't the anglerfish in here? We'll do that one in forest. Hi mimic, I just want to say hi. Yeah, I said hi. You like that hi? Yeah, it's just the greeting. It's just the greeting. Yeah. I didn't want to kill you. Well, I didn't kill you. I just said hi. That's it. That's all I did, definitely. Okay. I mean, the anglerfish is in here, but I don't want to kill it. Oh yeah, Armstrongs. Isn't there an Armstrong in sewers? Yeah, but okay, there is an Armstrong in sewers, but I want to kill the ones in here because there's more of them. And maybe I'll miss. Okay, let's start with the original. Oh my gosh. Oh, you too? Okay. I'll just leave your brother and sister there. Don't. OG hands? Okay, I'm just gonna exit because you're actually getting me. Yes. Yeah, I'm here getting on my nerves, but I'm not gonna kill you. I'll spare you for now, Ogie boy. Yeah, go there. Go over there. Oh my gosh. I would start with the sewers, but I like to do the mines. Okay, next up is the sewers, because I want to, and there's some, I might say a few monsters over there. And we got the humble chicken, we got red light, green light, we got the cyst, and what else do we have? Armstrong, but I already killed him. I think that's most of them. Yeah, I think that's most of them. Oh yes, the bombs, yes. Of course I forgot about the bombs. And you might be saying, ooh, why is there just a box right here? Oh, you might be saying, why am I doing this challenge? I got this. Oh yeah, credits to Cubbiersnail. He gave me the idea to do this, and it seemed really fun. But he did it with the stupid. But this time I'm doing it with the humble shotgun. How did you not die? It's okay, I have a backpack filled with not RPG ammo. This. Shotgun shells, yes. Shotgun shells is what you should call it. If you call it shotgun ammo, it's truly fine, but I call it shotgun shells. And how are you not dying? You're actually invincible. Dude, this is the most powerful weapon in the game. And my headset's battery low. Oh my gosh, bro. What do you want me to do? Go close to it? Cause that's what let's just kill Rubber Greenleaf. Got him. Okay. Just open that crate he got. Give me shotgun shells. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh, don't get close to me. Flashbang. No! Jukes! Oh my gosh, bro, and I'm gonna go retrieve my stuff, bro. Those things are low-key expensive. Oh my gosh. Let's take this, and let's just take a revolver. Actually, take a stick. Take a stick. Never mind. Let's take a stick. Dude, the shotgun's like 13,000. I cannot. I need to retrieve my stuff because those things are low-key expensive though. Oh, Debbie. I need to get my light source. Freeze! Do I have any? I'm trying to restock on ammo. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm gonna spare you for now. How am I gonna kill you? I can't, bro. You're actually annoying, bro. Oh wait, what am I doing? I needed my stick. The best item in the game is the stick. Did they buff you? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, finally. How did my mind? Oh, finally. Oh, I just forgot about this. I killed your brother. And your sister just killed herself, though. And I just missed entirely. I'll spare you for now.